What's up, YouTube? The Getting Places back. We got 2 unboxings this time, so let's get into them and see what we got. A lot of foam. At the bottom of the foam, we got another package. Alright. First thing we got. That's a tube for 1 ounce silver bars or gold bars, but it holds 1 ounce bars. Pretty cool. This one's from Apmex. This is the new holder for the Geiger square bars. And I don't know how we're supposed to get that open. There it goes. That's what they look like, and I did bring mine to see how it looks when you put it in there. This is my Geiger square bar. That's what it looks like when it's in there. It holds 30 of them. So it's pretty cool. Up next, we got the Pamp 2.5 gram gold bar. Direct fit case. Direct fit case, and I did bring my, looks a little bit small. It says 10 ounce bar, but there's my 10 ounce bar, and it's not closing. This is a Scottsdale 10 ounce bar, so we'll figure that one out later. But these 10 ounce direct fit capsules for 10 ounce bars do not fit Scottsdale. That's not good. And up next, let's see, got the new 1 ounce Dragon silver bar. Got the queen on the back. 2018, and that's all in that one. Let's check this other one out. That looks like another Apmex box. Yep. Alright. That's a Silver Bug Island. Let's see, it's 2015. Welcome to Silver Bug Island. Pretty cool. This is the new Canadian Super Leaf, it's called. 1.5 ounce silver round. That's a 2015. And the back side has a queen on it, and those things, let me open this up. These things are kind of thick. Pretty nice, super leaf. Got another one of the Perth Mint Swan bars, 1 ounce, silver.
Down the road here from me, there's an old holler tree where you lay down $1 or 2.
This was one of them I was waiting on. This is a 1/10 ounce Libertad proof. I didn't even know they made Libertads in a 1/10 ounce, but thought it was pretty cool, and I got to look at it. It's a 2016. It's real small. It's proof. It's got that smoke look to it. It's pretty cool. 2018 Britannia. And the 1 ounce hand poured Monarch Precious Metals. Got quite a bit of stuff today. See if I can get it all right here. Gold. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and check us out on Facebook.